Hello everyone! Has it ever bothered you? Which is more supreme, materialism or spiritualism? If yes, then you have arrived at the right channel. For answer to this question, watch my complete video on my channel. Thank you so much. Keep learning.